Will happen in Philippine television.
Yeah, this is one concert we will never ever forget. This is like really undescribable, you know.
And you know what, ladies and gentlemen? By the way, we are the concert front act, middle act,
Alright,
left act,
okay.
right act. Kahit anong act yan. My name is Jose Manalo.
Yes, and I am Wally Bayola. Yeah, with us are two of the great, finest singers of the country, Julia Clarete, Aiza Sigara.
This concert is really something big. And having big, sweet as a sweet. But we are waiting for everybody all now in the world history.
So let's do this.
Ladies and gentlemen,
This is
Bossing in concert!
Don't think me unkind. Words are hard to find. The only thing I left outside, but I want it in my mind. And when I look at this lady,
You remember me when the west wind moves upon the fields of wine. You can tell the sun in its shining sky when we walk in fields of gold. So she took her life among the fields of barley. In his arms she fell as her hair came down among the fields of gold. Will you stay with me? Will you be my love among the fields of barley? You can tell the sun in his gentle smile when we walk in fields of gold. See the west wind move like a leopard's soul among the fields of Bali. Feel her body rise when you kiss her mouth among the fields of gold. I've never made promises lightly, and there have been some that I've broken, but I swear the days still left, we'll walk in fields of gold. We'll walk fields of gold. You remember me where the west wind moves among fields of barley. You can tell the sun in a jet sky when he walked in fields of gold. When we walked in fields of gold.
Ladies and gentlemen, first, the first, for more, and you want to get tired and down out there and television now in the day.
Because of that, we will remember this as the most memorable day of our lives.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, even them, everybody here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean.
So, Dapper Cats, let's all stand up. Come on, everybody stand up. Come on, stand up, everybody. Hey, you, Michael B. Aquino, stand up. Nobody attended this show.
Are you all ready?
Are you ready? I can hear you.
Are you all ready?
Okay, if you're ready, and we are ready, here now, the most handsome babe in the beautiful world, and in the Philippine history, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Big Bossy Soto!
Thank you. And for my last number,
Isa pa lang, intro pa lang.
kasi naman ang tagal mo magpakilala eh.
Ganun talaga, bossing.
Kanina pa ako nung init-init to.
May build up ng konti.
Ang dami mo sinabi.
Oo nga.
Backup ka lang, naka-Amerikana ka pa.
And you, what are you waiting for, bossing?
Wait. Mr. Maestro, can you tone down a bit? All right. Nabanggit ko kanina, meron akong special guest. Brad, total, naka-Amerikana ka.
Yes, I love my
Ganda ng
attire.
forma mo,
Bihis pa tayo, no?
You like it?
Nakabihis
You
ka.
like it?
Pwede ka bang utusan? Okay lang? Maganda naman yung pakiusap ko. Pwede po ba kayong utusan?
Pwede po. Maganda naman yung pagkakapuna mo sa
May nakalimutan ako ron sa likod. Pakikuha lang, please. Ha? Yun para sa aking special guest. Yung special guest ko, dumating na ba? Dumating na? Natatandaan niyo po ba si Nanay Lina? Si Nanay Lina na na-stroke, na magaling ang stroke? Si Nanay Lina na simpleng mang-hold up. Nakilala natin siya sa One for All sa San Juan. Narito po siya ngayon. Siya po ang aking special guest. Nanay Lina, come on. Let's come on. Pasok. Okay. Nay. Jose. Asan na ba? Nakita ko, pinapasok na eh.
Sa kabila studio.
Ba't di nyo nalang paglakarin? Nakakalakad naman yan. Ni-stroke lang kayo niyan. Aray. Okay. Si Nanay Lina. Nay. Ano? Huy! Nandito ako. Ay, hindi ako makakilala. Naka-shades kasi. Ano?
Ang pogi mo pala.
Bakit may pala? Kasi naman yung TV mo sira, kaya pinalitan na natin.
Pinalitan ko malabo.
Ha?
Pinalitan mo.
Oo.
Malabo yung TV.
O, di ngayon, nakakita mong...
Ng marami.
Kamusta na po kayo?
Ito, gumaling sa 10,000 yan. Kulang pa.